I'm Chitra Rajguru from Nashik. You're watching Lokmat Times. Nashik is all set to host Sinhastha Kumbh Mela 2027, with the official dates now announced by Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis. The countdown for the world's biggest spiritual gathering has now truly begun. This time, very first time in history, Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis had a special meeting with Mahants of all 13 Akhadas in Nashik Collector Office. Chief Minister also had lunch with all these Mahants. This also happened first time ever in Kumbh history. In this video, we will talk about a complete schedule of Sinhastha Kumbh Mela Nashik 2027, locations and preparations of the Kumbh Mela.
आज त्र्यंबकेश्वर और नासिक के कुंभ मेले के संदर्भ में एक बैठक का आयोजन किया गया था, जिस बैठक में यहाँ के जो प्रमुख 13 अखाड़े हैं वो भी मौजूद थे। सभी महंत, साधु संत, पुरोहित संघ सभी लोग मौजूद थे। आयोजन पर एक प्रदीर्घ चर्चा हमने की। आज जो हमारे अमृत स्नान है और जो प्रमुख पर्व है उनकी तारीखें भी निश्चित की गई, उसकी भी घोषणा स्वतंत्र रूप से आपको दी जाएगी, जो आपके माध्यम से जनता तक जाएगी। इस बार का ये मेला लंबा चलने वाला है, इसलिए स्नान की कई प्रमुख तिथियां और पुण्य पर्व लोगों को उपलब्ध होंगे। इसलिए भीड़ जो हमारे भाविकों की होती है उसको नियंत्रित करने के लिए हम लोगों को मौका भी मिलेगा।
So this meeting with Chief Minister and Mahants of 13 Akhadas was crucial, since the schedule was discussed and then announced, and the demands of Mahant were listened. To begin with, the Amrut Snan schedule, earlier called as Shahi Snan, is now renamed as Amrut Snan by Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis. There are two key locations, Nashik and Trimbakeshwar. To begin with, we will see dates and schedule for Nashik Amrut Snan. The flag hoisting at Nashik will be held on Saturday, 31st of October 2026 at 12 p.m. at Ramkunda. First Amrut Snan is scheduled on Monday, 2nd of August 2027, while second Amrut Snan is scheduled on Tuesday, 31st of August 2027. The third Amrut Snan at Nashik will be held on Saturday, 11th of September 2027. Now, let's take a look at Trimbakeshwar Amrit Snan schedule. The flag hoisting at Trimbakeshwar will be held as the same day, that is on 31st of October 2026, and the first Amrit Snan at Trimbakeshwar will be on Monday, 2nd of August 2027. The second Amrit Snan at Trimbakeshwar is scheduled on Tuesday, 31st of August 2027, and the third Amrit Snan at Trimbakeshwar will be on Saturday, 12th of September 2027. Now, though these are the dates for Amrit Snan, the Kumbh Mela in Nashik this time will span the longest duration ever. Starting from October 31st, 2026, it will go on till July 24, 2028. During this extended period, in Nashik there will be 44 Parvasnan Muhurta, and in Trimbakeshwar there will be 53 Parvasnan Muhurta. That means more people can gather and more people can take a holy dip during Kumbh Mela in Nashik. Though the primary focus of this meeting was to discuss and announce the schedule and dates for Amrut Snan, the Mahants also raised few demands and issues, like land acquisition for Sadhugram, Godavari pollution issue, encroachment in Sadhugram and Tapovan area. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis assured them that these demands and complaints will be looked seriously.
जो साधु संतों ने हमारे सामने बात कही कि हमारी गोदावरी माँ ये निर्मल बहे, ये अविरल बहे, इस दृष्टि से भी योजना तैयार की है। एसटीपी के माध्यम से उसमें साफ पानी जाए, गंदा पानी न जाए, इसका भी नियोजन किया है। इसमें जो अतिरिक्त पानी लाना है उसका भी नियोजन हम लोगों ने किया है। अखाड़ों में भी बड़े पैमाने पर साधु संत जाते हैं, भाविक भी जाते हैं, वहां पर भी जो व्यवस्था करनी है उसकी भी चर्चा हुई है। इसके साथ साथ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर की दृष्टि से करीब 4-4.5 हजार करोड़ रुपए के जो हमने काम है उसकी शुरुआत करने के लिए टेंडर्स भी हम लोगों ने बुलाए हुए हैं और 2000 करोड़ के काम ये पाइपलाइन में है। कुल मिलाकर एक बहुत ही भव्य, बहुत ही दिव्य इस प्रकार का मेला यहाँ पर संपन्न हो, इस प्रकार का नियोजन किया गया है।
Less than 500 days to go now, so Nashik administration needs to work swiftly to host lakhs of devotees. Nashik Municipal Corporation and Nashik City Police have already set up a dedicated Sinhastha Kumbh Mela department and work is already in progress. But the important question is the absence of guardian minister in Nashik is slowing the process of decision making in Kumbh Mela preparations? Local voices suggest that the absence of strong political voice is hitting the decision making process in the preparations of Kumbh Mela.